The 2023 BMW F850 GS is ready for everything that may come its way. In particular on alternating terrain, it offers you safety and comfort with a variety of features, and plenty of riding enjoyment. The BMW F850 GS has been perfectly streamlined for off-roading, as is evident from its 21-inch front wheel. What matters is your curiosity and what drives you, regardless of how far or where you want to ride. The extended basic equipment and a variety of optional equipment and optional accessories mean that you can easily discover what lies beyond the horizon with the F850 GS. F850 GS. Specification: riding modes rain and road. ABS Pro. LED headlight, low, high beam headlight. LED rear light. LED indicators. TFT with connectivity. Adjustable brake and clutch levers. Dynamic traction control DTC. USB port. Cross-spoke wheels. Adjustable windscreen.